Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, we are going to be making eggplant stew. Very simple. Not our regular Ghanaian garden egg stew, but I beg, bear with me now. To get started, we have our normal eggplant, our vegetables, some peppers, some garlic, some onions, some tomatoes, some egg, bacalao, salted fish, some canned mackerel in the tomato sauce, some dry fish, salt, and Maggi cube for taste. I'm going to go ahead, soak my bacalao, cut up my eggplant. The eggplant, we are doing it a little bit different. We are not boiling it. We are going to bake it. So the eggplants are going to go in the oven for 30 minutes on 350. I'm going to go ahead, cut up my vegetables. Now I'm going to debone my dry fish. You can use it with the bone, but I prefer to debone mine. The eggplants are out the oven and they are looking just perfect, just the way I like it. I'm going to cut it up and roughly blend it because I want some of that skin still on it. So in a saucepan, I'm just put some regular vegetable oil and I'm going to saute my vegetables. I'm throwing in my deboned dry fish now, so it can get a head start, being that it's a bit tougher than my salted fish and the mackerel. Add in my Maggi cube now, not the salt, because remember, the salted fish has a lot of salt in it and you kind of want to wait to the end to see if you might need it or not. Now my bacalao is going to break up while it's in there, but it's fine because that's the point. I'm making a eggplant stew, to have all your fish and stuff all broken up into pieces, so when you take a bite you get everything in one bite. Let everything cook down for a couple minutes and add your mackerel. Now the tomato sauce on the mackerel is pretty decent too, so it's okay if you add it. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm going to add my blended eggplants and let everything cook up together so all the flavors can marry just right. Now that everything is mixed in just right, I'm going to go ahead and add my peppers. I saved the peppers for last because I want some type of texture when I eat my stew. Now the stew is done. It is finished, y'all. I'm just going to garnish it with some hard-boiled eggs, let it simmer, and we are done. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop la. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tap that bell for all notifications.